When it comes to image analysis, there are a few major players in the AI space, and today we're diving into two of the top options, Clarifai and IBM Watson Visual Recognition. Both are widely used, but which one is truly the best for your image analysis needs? Stick around, because by the end, I'll not only help you decide, but also offer a better alternative that could work wonders for your business. Let's kick things off with Clarifai. Clarifai has built a reputation as a strong contender in the image recognition game. Their platform is highly customizable, offering a range of features from basic image tagging to advanced custom model training. One of the standout features of Clarifai is its ability to handle large-scale datasets, which makes it ideal for businesses dealing with massive image libraries. However, customization does come with a learning curve. If you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, Clarifai might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Next, we have IBM Watson Visual Recognition, which has its own strengths. IBM's tool is known for its user-friendly interface and integration with other IBM services. It's a solid choice for businesses already invested in the IBM ecosystem. What's impressive about Watson is its pre-trained models for specific use cases like food recognition, face detection, and general object identification. These models can save you time, but on the flip side, the customization options here aren't as extensive as what Clarifai offers. So, if your needs go beyond the out-of-the-box solutions, Watson might leave you wanting more. Moving on to speed and accuracy. Clarifai boasts impressive speed in processing images and does well when it comes to accuracy, especially with custom models. However, depending on the complexity of your task, the accuracy can vary, especially if you're relying on pre-trained models. IBM Watson, on the other hand, is known for its solid accuracy in standard tasks. It might not have the same flexibility as Clarifai, but when it comes to recognizing common objects or faces, Watson does an excellent job. Both platforms are reliable, but Clarifai might give you an edge if you need that extra level of precision for highly specific projects. Now, let's talk about pricing. Clarifai's pricing structure is somewhat flexible, but it can get pricey, especially if you need advanced features or run into high-volume image processing. IBM Watson tends to be more affordable for smaller scale use cases, but once you start scaling, the costs can quickly add up. It's important to weigh your project size and budget before committing. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Both companies offer customer support, but Clarifai tends to receive mixed reviews. While they provide detailed documentation and support resources, users often mention that response times can be slow. IBM Watson, on the other hand, offers more robust support and integration with their extensive knowledge base, making it a solid choice if you need hands-on assistance frequently. But here's the catch. Both Clarifai and IBM Watson Visual Recognition are solid tools, and they each have their merits. But after testing both myself, I found that Nader offers the perfect solution for everyone, especially when you factor in the cost, scalability, and advanced capabilities. If you're looking for a better alternative for powerful, precise, and flexible image analysis, then I recommend you check out the free trial in the first link in the description. By signing up through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.